morning, students. How are you? Hope you are doing well at your home. Be safe and follow the rules and regulations of COVID 19. It is very important. Sometimes we take it as a granted, but nowadays you can see the consequences of COVID 19. Always follow rules and regulations of COVID 19. Today we are going to study about nutritive and non-nutritive components of diet. Nutritive and non-nutritive diet components. Nutritive and non-nutritive diet components. This is our heading today. Nutritive and non-nutritive diet components. What are nutritive components of diet? Which give us energy or which provides us energy. And this energy which provide us energy. This energy we use as our daily work. We keep our body healthy, strong to do various kinds of work. Nutritive, which provide us energy or calories to do various work. And it is further divided into many various categories. One of the example is protein. Protein is a nutritive component. Nutritive component protein is a nutritive component. Sources of protein, you know very well. What are the sources of protein? Yes. Why protein is very important? Because it is the building block of our body. For each and every work, we use our muscles, we use our bones, we use blood vessels or blood to do various forms of work. And one of the important is for growth and development of body, we need protein. Protein in our diet or balanced diet food. We are talking about nutritive value or balanced diet food that we ate, that we used to take from various vegetables and various fruits. Proteins is very important. Without protein, what will happen? There will be a lack of growth and development in human body or in a child. That's why sources of protein, that's why protein is very important. Sources of protein, It is divided into two categories from animal animal protein and second is vegetable vegetable proteins. Protein mainly we get from animals, flesh of an animals, or we use various kinds of animal meat as a source of protein. Vegetables we use in our daily diet. Animal protein which we get from animals product is called animal protein found in eggs, important source is eggs, and vegetable proteins in various types of vegetables and pulses. Various vegetables and pulses. Green peas and groundnuts, we find many protein in vegetable. Sources of protein. Then we have B. Beside protein, many things are there. Carbohydrates. Carbohydrates is a nutritive component, one of the important component of nutrition. There is a need of carbohydrate in our body, and basically as the eating system that we are following, mostly we have carbohydrates in our diet. It is also very important for growth and development of human body. And sources are, what are the sources? That is rice, maize, and many vegetables are the sources of carbohydrate. Then we have vitamins. C is vitamins. Vitamins. Vitamins are also very essential. Later on, it is divided into fat soluble and water soluble. Vitamin A is very important. Sources of vitamin A is mainly found in milk, curd, and egg yolk. Vitamin A, B, C, and D. These are the vitamins that we found. A, B, that is A, B, D, E, and K. E and K. These are the vitamins that are very important, and we know if the lack of vitamin cause many disease in our body. So these are the nutritive components of diet. Sources of protein, protein we know, carbohydrate we know, and vitamins we know very well. Without vitamins, what will happen? We are unable to get, or without vitamin K is dried, maintained, or with the help of vitamin K. Vitamin K is very important K is derived from the word coagulation. Coagulation is clotting of blood, which means clotting of blood. This vitamin is helpful in clotting of blood. Sometimes we play, we injured, and we fell down. Suddenly we see in our skin blood. Then sometimes a few seconds later it clots. It helps in clotting our blood. The sources of vitamin K are green vegetables, meats, and eggs. These are the sources of vitamin K. Go through this chapter, read each and every vitamins. It is not as a course of physical education, but it is helpful in your daily life also. So we came to know about nutritive components of diet. Now, non-nutritive components of diet. Non-nutritive components of diet. Why we are saying non-nutritive components of diet? Those components that do not provide energy or calories. That do not provide energy or calories to our body. There are many things that we eat, but they do not provide energy to our body. That's why we say non-nutritive component of diet. For example, roughage or fibers. Examples are roughage and fibers. Roughage and fibers are the example of non-nutritive diet. Because why we are talking about proteins and fibers, we eat them but they are not digestible in our intestine. For example, a whole wheat grain. We use whole wheat flour. In that flour we had many things, and all the flour is not digestible in our intestine. That's why we call it non-nutritive component of diet. We have to understand fibers and roughage has no nutritive value. And one of the best example is water. Example is water also. Now you are thinking how water is non-nutritive component of diet, because colored components, colored components. Second is flavor component. Third is plant compounds. Colored component components is non-nutritive diet because the color derived from animal product and grain are less bright. We add, you had seen many flavored or colored we mix in a cakes. What we do to make attractive those cake or chocolates, we use color components to make it bright or look shiny, attractive, and more eatable. But the color that we are using is non-nutritive components and flavored compounds. Flavors are derived from both nutritive and non-nutritive compounds of food. Sometimes it becomes very difficult to know the source of specific flavor. An acidic food provides sour taste while alkaline provides a bitter taste. Alkaline is bitter in nature also, and sometimes we use these products for in our food, and it tastes bitter and sour. Last is plant compounds. What are plant compounds? How we can say it is a non-nutritive compound? Because we are adding it. When these substances are ingested, they may have beneficial or harmful. Ingested it, we artificially put those substances in our food, but what will happen? It is benefit as well as harmful for us also. Both sides are there. Caffeine is one of the such example. Caffeine is an example. If it is taken in excessive quantity, it may increase heart rate. And here we are using caffeine in our tea and in our coffees. We are using caffeine. A small amount of caffeine is there. But if we are using excessive or high amount we are using, it will create a problem in our heart, and humans suffer various heart disease. As we came to know about nutritive and non-nutritive diet, now we are going to study about how we can eat for our weight control. There are many things we are eating, many types of foods we are eating, but eating for weight control, for healthy weight of our body, for living healthy lifestyle, it is very important to eat balanced diet food that control our health as well as the weight of our body. First, we are going to learn about meaning of healthy weight. Meaning of healthy weight. Meaning of healthy weight. We had already studied in class 11th what is healthy weight and about BMI. If you remember about BMI, that is body mass index. By this, we are able to know about a proper weight and height of an individual, whether our weight is excessive or below normal weight. Meaning of healthy weight, we can find it in BMI, and there is a certain formula for that. You had already studied about BMI. You can, if you have a weighing machine at your home, you can see your weight and height. You can make a scale just near a wall. You can mark and weight. Calculate your weight and height. That is a certain formula in your book. You can apply and you will come to know about your body mass index.